Hello students. Today another very important topic from the point of view of students or every individual, whether you are a student, you are a professional, you are a teacher or anyone, doesn't matter you are old, young, kid, from everybody's point of view, the important topic is importance of reading comprehension. See, there are only two resources of gaining knowledge. Number one is listening and number two is reading. These are two resources by which we gain knowledge. So, the important point about what is the importance of reading comprehension. First of all, let us understand what comprehension is. Comprehension means understanding. So, whatever you read, if you can understand it, then only the reading has some importance. If you are simply reading or blabbering loudly something without understanding it or without comprehending it, it will be useless. And there are so many things that we need to read, and there are so many things that we need to know. And from the point of view of students, all 6 subjects, all the 6 books, or maybe the reference books, practicals, manuals, brochures that you need to read and understand. And there are so many things that you have to do on your own, and only reading is going to help you out. So reading comprehension or understanding whatever you read is very important from the point of view of everyone, basically, or especially from the student's point of view. So what exactly you get out of the comprehension? Why it is important to comprehend or understand whatever you read? It is because, number one, as I said, you gain knowledge. You gain knowledge means you gain the knowledge of the subject. You gain the knowledge of the theory that you are reading. You gain the knowledge of the practical that you are doing. You gain the knowledge of any information, any report, any project that is given to you. And this will enhance your knowledge in future. And this knowledge is going to help you anywhere. And that's why you gain knowledge by reading, comprehending whatever you are reading, and you understand it. It gains or improves or increases your knowledge. So this is very good advantage of reading comprehension. Not only knowledge of any type, not only the knowledge of your field, the knowledge of your branch, many extra general knowledge that you gain. Not only knowledge, the second advantage or the second important thing that you get out of reading comprehension is that you get knowledge, you get language. It may be any language that you are reading the material in. It may be Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, Malayalam or English. So whatever you read, out of that reading you gain language also. Now what do you get in language? Say for example, you are reading something theoretical in English, and if you come across new word, you go and search its meaning in dictionary. So in the dictionary or the lexicon, you are going to get its meaning, its pronunciation, its usage. The complete lexicon will be very beneficial from your point of view as a student. And not only a student, even the professionals or the teachers, whatever new word they come across in that particular language, whatever language they are reading the material in, it increases their language. The vocabulary that is increased, and the same vocabulary, when they express themselves, when they speak or write something, they can utilize it. So that will make you good writer or as well as good speaker. So when you are reading and comprehending and sometimes you fail to understand a particular sentence or particular word, please go to the dictionary so that you gain that knowledge, you gain that word, and the same word or the sentence can be utilized. Sentence means the structure. The variety of structures are available in any language like English. So the different structures were very powerful and very effective you can gain. And once you are exposed, unless and until you are exposed with the good structure of sentences, you are not going to use them. It may be in examination or it may be in your writing or speaking. So because of the reading comprehension, you gain language in terms of vocabulary, language in terms of the different structures of the sentences. So this is how reading comprehension is very much beneficial. The next one is, from the student's point of view, you get marks. It is because you read, and from that reading whatever you can retain and you reproduce it in examination and you get marks. But if you comprehend whatever you read, you are bound to get good marks. So good grades is another advantage of reading comprehension. Besides this, if you are well read, if you have understood whatever material you have read from so many resources, it may be from mass media, it may be from textbook, it may be from books, it may be digital books, wherever you go, it may be newspapers, you are well read, well versed, So about any topic of your interest, you would be able to deliver a good talk. So you would be the renowned speaker, you would be the renowned speaker of that particular area or the topic, and you might be invited by so many people if they need a person, a resource person of that particular topic or area. There are so many people. For example, if you take the case of Harsha Bhogle, he is very good as far as the management institutions are concerned. They invite him and he delivers a talk, and the area in which he has good knowledge or he has understood is cricket. So he clears the concepts of management by giving some good examples from cricket. It is because he is well read in that particular area. Similarly, you would become a good speaker, as well as not only a good speaker, you would be a good writer. You would be a good writer, and your blogs will be preferred by so many people, those who are interested in that area. So reading comprehension goes in a long way. Besides becoming a good writer and good speaker, you would also be a good speaker, good listener. The reason, whatever material you are listening, you would be able to comprehend it because you have formed one good habit of reading comprehension. That is how reading comprehension is very important from point of view of everyone. Besides that, besides getting all these practical benefits, there's one more benefit that we get, that is the pleasure after reading and comprehending any story, any novel that we read, anything, any literature you listen. Now because of the media, even audio books are available, audio visual things are available, we listen, and out of that listening you can get the pleasure, the happiness, only when we could comprehend it. It may be sarcastic comment, it may be sarcastic sentence. If we do not have that comprehension skill, we won't be able to understand it. So by understanding whatever is written, we gain pleasure. So this is how reading comprehension is very important from the point of view of students as well as from the point of view of any professional. I hope these things will clear the importance of reading comprehension, and you will start reading at least your syllabus of 6 different subjects that are prescribed for you guys. Thank you so much.